Welcome. I found myself a, what's that say? Piston Peak Fire Department plain guitar. Ooh, that sounds lovely. Yeah, that sounds great. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Perfect. It's perfect. Rather than tune it, we're just going to sing with it. Everybody now sing with me. Sing with me. It's all you need is some strings and some tequila. And then some off tune. No, actually it's better like this. I love that sound, don't you? Yeah, I promise you, I have not had any of this to have created this mess. I'm just a mess. I'm just a mess on my own. I don't need tequila. Oh my, I am clearly a mess.